Welcome to LaVidaRosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be telling you about the cheapest way to ship using PayPal. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on social media. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, to start with, you need to make sure you already have a PayPal account. It's really easy to set one up if you don't have one. I'm not going to go through that. You just know you need one. The easiest way to get to the shipping section is to type in paypal.com/shipnow, and you might be directed to sign in if you're not already signed in. And once you do that, you should come across this page. On this page, you enter the recipient's full name, address, city, state, zip code, just all of the shipping information and the email. Once you've filled in that information, you're going to hit the ship to this address button, and it will take you to the Create Shipping Label page. And on the side, you will see the shipping addresses. And obviously, I have that blocked out because that's sensitive information. But on the top, it will have your shipping address and the recipient's address on the side. So you can make sure both of those are correct. Now, the middle column, the first option is choosing the carrier. And you can either choose UPS or USPS. For this process to be the cheapest, I'm going to be choosing USPS, but UPS is also an option. The next option is the service type, and you have a variety of options to choose from: first class, medium mail, parcel, collect, ground, priority mail express, and priority mail service. I'm going to choose first class mail for items that are 15 ounces or less. And I use parcel select ground service for items that are heavier. And by looking at the number of days it may take to ship, it might seem like it will take a longer time to ship to the recipient. But in my experience, it seems to take the shorter amount rather than longer in most cases. The next option is package type, and you can either choose large package or package/thick envelope. I always choose package/thick envelope because that's usually what I'm sending. Now, because the next option is package weight, you will need a postal scale in order to check this weight and make sure that it's accurate. It's very important that the weight on the package is accurate, because if not, then either you'll have to pay extra or the person you're sending to has to pay extra. Really forgot how that worked. That's actually never happened to me, but you just need to make sure everything is correct. I use this scale right here. I will also link it down below if you would like to purchase this same scale I use. I've never had a problem. You just want to make sure this weight is correct, because that's super, super important. I can't stress that enough. My advice when weighing things is to always round up. So say, for instance, you get a package that's 3.2 ounces. Go ahead and round up to 4 ounces. It really doesn't make that much of a difference in the price. But if you walk up there and it weighs less than what the package says, then you don't want to have to pay the extra. That's going to be more money out of your pocket. So I will go ahead and round up every single time. There are other options down below in additional details, but the only one I ever choose is the USPS tracking because it's free. It is included. So once I've done all of that, I'm going to hit calculate shipping cost. At this point, you'll see a breakdown of the shipping costs, including the total. And if you click confirm and pay, they will pay using your PayPal balance. Now, I'm not sure if you can pay any other way. I always use my PayPal balance. Then it will take you to the print shipping label page, which is basically the shipping summary or a receipt for everything. And you can see the tracking info, which is the tracking number that I have blocked out right there. And in the top right corner is where you print. From there, you're going to hit save, and you can see a little preview of what the package label is going to look like. And you're going to go ahead and print that off from there. From there, you're going to cut out your shipping label around the edges, and you're going to take some clear tape and attach it to your package as neat as possible. From here, you have two options. Either you can place your package in the mail That's if it's small enough. Or I even heard there's a way you can have the post office come pick your package up. I'm not sure about that, so I'll let you look that up if you want to find that out. Or you can take your package to the post office, and if it's 13 ounces or less, you can drop it off in the little drop-off box. But if it weighs more than that, you just take it up to the clerk and she will send it off free of charge. And just like that, your package is off to your recipient. I hope you can really use this video. I made it because I recently started my own online business, LaVidaRosa Style. I couldn't find too many clear step-by-step videos that really broke down how to ship using PayPal. And so I decided to make this video for all of those confused people out there like me. It's actually very simple, and I wanted to make a video that made it just as simple as it actually is. Now that I've been using it, it's all I ever use, and I've never had one issue since I've started, which was about 6 months ago. So like I said, I hope you found this useful. Let me know what you think down below. If you have any extra questions, leave those in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.